Kadiza, woman not dummy. Said them si pay my worry because me broken home. Until I suffer a lot. And until my senior dear one person come and pese. Menya be sad being. Gracious God, take my hand, lead me home through the land. I am tired, I am weak, I am woe through the storms in the life. Lead me home through the land. Take my hand, gracious God, lead me home. My breath.